Concrete cutting. Cincinnati Concrete Contractors Company offers high-quality concrete cutting services for both residential and commercial customers. We have the latest concrete cutting technology and equipment to get the job done quickly, safely, and efficiently. For your concrete cutting needs, we offer concrete slab sawing, concrete wall sawing, hand sawing, wire sawing, core drilling. Concrete cutting is a vital part of any concrete construction project. It is essential to have the proper concrete cutting tools and equipment to ensure a safe and efficient concrete cut. Cincinnati Concrete Contractors Company has the concrete cutting tools and equipment you need to get the job done right. Call or message us via the contact form today. Cincinnati Concrete Contractors Company, 3431 Telford Street, Number 2, Cincinnati, Ohio, 45220, 513-613-2077 https://www.cincinnaticoncretecontractorsco.com/